Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. It's the festive season and nothing, not even COVID, can stop us from celebrating. So I wanted to create something simple, at the same time glamorous for Durga Puja. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to start with some skincare. I've already applied the silk canvas from Tatcha as my primer. This gives you such a velvety feel to your skin before you apply anything else over it. And to treat my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream again from Tatcha. If you're exhausted like me and if you have puffy eyes, this really calms it down and brings it down and gives you that youthful appearance. It's also a great anti-aging eye cream. Highly recommend it. It gives you that double shield of protection and it locks in the moisture and hydration and keeps your eyes looking youthful at all times. Quickly applying some lip balm on my lips to keep it soft and supple and ready for the lipstick that's coming at the very end. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way, and this is in the shade Praline. Now, especially during festivals, I usually do a tinted moisturizer which is very light, or I go with a foundation that gives you light coverage. And this is one foundation that gives you light and glowy finish, and I absolutely love it. This is also a long wearing foundation. It's oil free, it's waterproof, and also transfer resistant. I'm just applying it with a damp sponge, and I'm also going to bring it down to my neck so my neck color and my face color match. I'm going to very lightly cream contour my face using the Wet n Wild contour stick in Call Me Maple. This is my go-to stick when I want something very light and quick. So this gives you just enough structure and it's not going to look too much, and it's so easy to apply and blend out. Again, if you can't find this exact shade, go for something that's at least 2 shades deeper than your skin tone. And if you want to kind of increase the intensity, you can add a little bit more of the product. And if you want to go lighter, you can go lighter and look more natural as well. To conceal and highlight, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand. This concealer, you guys, I'll be very honest with you, it's a hit or a miss for me. Sometimes it works really well. Sometimes it settles in the fine lines and creases like it did today. So, I just keep trying to make it work. I like to make products work for me. But like I said, it has its mood swings. So sometimes it really looks good. Sometimes it doesn't. And that's one of the reasons I keep going back to the Milani concealer, because it almost looks like it's so personalized for my type of skin. It doesn't settle in the fine lines. It gives me full coverage. It doesn't crease, and it's very long lasting, and it's very comfortable on my skin. And again, just because the Too Faced concealer, has its mood swings on me, it doesn't mean that it has the same problem with everybody. It could work great on your skin. The setting powder is something that I actually like. It's very finely sifted, so it's very easy to set your face with it. So I'm very lightly setting my face with the loose powder. And then I'm going to lock the base makeup using the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist again from Tatcha. This is going to melt all the powders on my face and give me more of a skin-like finish. And it's also going to keep the products in place and not make it move around and look blotchy. For brows, I'm going to be using Precisely My Brows from Benefit in 4.5, which is neutral deep brown. It has a very fine tip, so you can draw those hair-like strokes and make your brows look very natural. I like to brush my brow hair downwards, fill in the top portion, and then brush my brow hair upwards so I can clearly see the bottom part of my brows and fill them in. Today's eye makeup is about being simple and elegant. We'll do a very simple brown smoky eye, less emphasis on the eyeshadows and more on the eyeliner itself. I like to go really bold with my eyeliner, especially during Durga Puja time. I'm going to start with tight lining, and for that I'm going to be using the ColourPop Black Gel Liner Pencil. Now, because I'm going for that very simple brown smoky eye, I wanted to go for a neutral palette. So I decided to use the brand new Every Night eyeshadow palette from Mented Cosmetics. The only brown shadow that I'll be dipping into is Atlanta with a flat shader brush. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And then I'm using a blending brush from Folklore to soften the edges. And then I'm going to use the same eyeshadow in my lower lash line, smoking it out with a smaller blending brush by Colourpop. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Just apply a brown eyeshadow around your eyes and blend it out and you're done. You get a beautiful, elegant brown smoky eye. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be using Chicago. And now for the winged liner, I'm going to be using the Inglot Gel Liner in black. And the magic here is with the brush. I absolutely love this brush. This one's from Juno. I'm going to link it down below. This has been my savior. It's got that fine tip, so it's very easy to draw those beautiful sharp wings. And now is the fun part. I'm going to use some black eyeshadow and first smoke it out in my lower lash line. The brush that I'm using is a small definer brush. This one's from Hip Dot. And then I'm going to use more black eyeshadow and smoke it out in the outer corner of the wing. And that'll give you that very smoked out winged liner effect. And I absolutely adore that more than just a clean cut winged liner. So whatever you prefer, if you want that clean liner look, just leave it as is. If you want to go more smoky, you can do this. I'm going to finish up with curling my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using this one from Makeup Forever. You'll find links to all the products in the description box below. And for lashes, I'm going to be using a drugstore lash. This is the Ardell lashes in 105. These are glamour lashes, but they're not over the top, so they just look perfect for any festive look. And just so you know, the only glue that works for me as of now is Star Glue. This is my absolute favorite while attaching lashes. I'm using Chicago again to highlight my brow bone before I call it done on my eyes. And here is the completed eye look. To sculpt my face, I'm going to be using the Juno Bombshell palette. Again, one of my favorites because it's so easy to travel with this. This has your bronzer and your highlighter and your blush and some shimmer. So sometimes I use this as my eyeshadow and also to sculpt my face. So it works so well. I'm starting with the blush. I'm not going to be using the bronzer or the contour because we already have the cream contour and that's subtle enough. And then I'm going to be using the highlighter, just going all over my face to give that subtle glow. It's not going to be focused and harsh. It's going to be very lightly brushed on the highest points of my face. On my lips, I always go with a classic red for Durga Puja, and this is Milan from Ofra Cosmetics, one of the most comfortable liquid lipsticks I've ever tried. A simple loose low bun with some sindhoor, some gold jewelry and a very elegant saree finish this look. I love the way this came together. I hope you enjoyed it too. Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you're new here. I'm back on schedule and I'll be posting every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. For your convenience, I've listed all the product information in the description box below and you'll also find my social media links there. It'll be nice if you follow me there so we can chat a little bit more. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.